Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by capturing baseline data so you know what to fix. Open battery settings and record top apps, percent drain, and screen on time. This tells you whether apps or standby are the issue. Turn on battery saver for 30 minutes and observe. If drain drops, background activity is the culprit. Next, check signal bars and briefly toggle airplane mode to see if standby stops. Poor reception often forces cell standby to consume excessive power. Now take focused actions based on your findings. If specific apps show high percentages, force stop them, uninstall if unnecessary, or restrict background refresh and data access. This prevents app wake cycles. If toggling airplane mode helped but signal still fluctuates, reset network settings to clear corrupt carrier profiles. Once done, set Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to off when unused and change location mode to battery saving. These steps reduce radio. Finish by validating the repairs. Run a 24-hour battery test and compare app percentages and standby drain to your baseline. If drain persists, boot into safe mode to disable third-party apps. If standby improves, an app is guilty. If safe mode shows little change, suspect firmware, or carrier settings, back up your data, then perform a factory reset. If that still fails, contact your carrier or device manufacturer. They can check network provisioning and hardware radios. This is the key troubleshooting path if software fixes don't resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.